When it comes to blazers, they're getting cut up. Yes. Yes. Okay. Here's the jacket. Love it. Perfect. Perfect. If I could just find the bottom to this jacket. I don't know where it is. If I could do that and make that the yoke, it doesn't have to even wrap all the way around. It only needs to come to right here. And then use the rest of this for the bottom. That would give me the look that I'm trying to go for. What did I do with the bottom? We gotta go find it. I found it. I'm so glad I found it. So it was buried in my scraps. This is how I want this to go. I love this pocket here in the front. Let me just look in my mirror over here. We're gonna have this here. I'm gonna be wearing probably some upcycled jeans underneath or a long denim skirt. So this is just an overlay, okay? So this is the top part. And then I'm gonna cut this and this is gonna be the rest. I just need it to be as long as possible. So this is my mind, y'all. This is my mind when I'm being creative. Like all kind of things start happening. like I have this vision and I know what I want it to look like and I'm not satisfied until it is there. Okay, so let's see. So this is an additional 20 inches. It's gonna hit right at my ankle, not quite as long as I want. Maybe I do a denim yoke so that this can drop down like that. Okay, that way it'll also be a little space in between the jacket. I'm gonna wear probably that Brooks Brothers shirt that I thrifted when I was in Cleveland because it fits the neck really nice and it's kind of neutral, even though it's a pinstripe. In my opinion, it's a neutral. It sits really nice under a shirt. Under a jacket. And if I do denim here at the top, like a denim yoke, then it kind of breaks up what's going on in here. Cause I don't want it to, like I was planning to do a waistband around the bottom of here just to kind of break that up. So I think that'll be nice to have the denim at the front, at the top. Okay, I'm satisfied. I really like this jacket a lot, but I'm not wearing it as much as I would like to. And I've just decided that when it comes to blazers, they're getting cut up, all of them. We're coming to the end of winter. So I feel like, let me just go ahead and do that. Now, this wasn't the original plan. When I recorded the reel and y'all saw that jacket, that's where I was going. But then I remembered the jacket I was gonna wear and I remembered that I had something with green in it. So let's do it. Okay, to give us the maximum. Ooh, I just came up with an idea. I'm not gonna do the yoke in denim. I'm gonna do the yoke in this plaid at the top. I'm gonna make my own waistband, cute, thick, big button, bold. Yes, yes. Okay, all right, so we're gonna, again, not a great plaid jacket. I hate it when the plaids aren't aligned. Okay. So the other thing about this is that I really do like this part of the jacket. So we're gonna cut these. I'm still gonna use this is what I mean. We're gonna go ahead and cut. I'm gonna use the sleeves or should I use the lapels for like up here? Okay, here I go again. I know y'all are like, this girl. We're gonna bring this over like that. I'm thinking I might use this collar all the way around like that. I think that's what I'm gonna do. Let me show you what I'm envisioning. Really like this look. All right, so this goes up under here like that, around. Oops. Here, come all the way around. We're gonna put it up underneath there, and this is gonna overlap. So this is gonna be my waistband. I think that's gonna be nice because it pays homage to the jacket. And then let me just put a couple pins in there to show you. I'm gonna put this on the dress form so you can see it better, but I wanted you all to just get the vibes, okay? All right. Okay, so that's that, and that's kind of drapes down a little bit. Then this goes here. I'm gonna put it as close to the bottom as possible. Just gonna put a couple of pins in there. And y'all, I'm rushing because I have to work tomorrow. Like, almost all day, and then we're doing interviews for the fashion show. The designers are being interviewed, and so I have to do that. Okay, so this is basically that, okay? That's what that basically is. And I like the green tone. I think the shirt, when it comes in, it's gonna be nice with the denim jeans underneath. And it's not quite as long as I want. Like, I wish that it was a little bit longer, but I think with the jeans underneath, I think it's okay. So let's put it on the dress form. A lot of you all ask me about this dress form, and I actually got it off Etsy. I will link it below. I bought it in a size too small, and even though I am between a 4 and a 6 in a dress size, the dress form is still too small. So it is my hope that some brand out there offers me a dress form and I can get it in a true, I'm probably gonna get an 8. Because honestly, the size 6 isn't gonna fit either. I don't know what's up with the dress forms, but even though I did all my measurements and everything, when the dress form came and I sewed something, I put something together on it, when I put it on, I couldn't fit it. And I was like, that's ridiculous. So, okay, so I've pinned the collar on, and I do have to make sure that these measurements are right. So this dress form came with this cover on it. This is a professional dress form. You'll see it says a size 4 on it, but it has this cover and it comes with these paddings that you can add all over. Like, I padded the bust because the bust was too small, and I padded the hips and I padded the butt because I got a butt and I got, you know, boobs. So it just doesn't fit. And so I've had to basically pad the whole thing just to get it to a size 6. And I shouldn't have, because a 4 and a 6 is not that far off. Because this is the collar, and of course, you know, since this is not the direction, let me come over. Since this is not the direction that it was intended to be. This jacket has some curvature to it, okay? So we've got to really think about how we're gonna do this. I wanna give myself enough extra fabric so that we can connect the green. I'm going to pin the green jacket to what I want to be the yoke and the waistband to make sure that I even like the way it looks together. Because if I don't, I will definitely make a change. To figure that out. I really like this. I think it's coming together very nicely. I love this big pocket in the front. I love that we have also the pocket down here. The buttons from the front of the jacket are right here. Yeah, I'm liking that. I'm feeling this kind of overlap here. What I do need is some dark green bias tape. Literally, that was like 5 minutes. I ordered some dark green seam binding. If it doesn't come by tomorrow, I have burgundy. I think I have burgundy and I have brown. Worst case scenario, I'll use that. But I wanted to get something as close as I could to this. I'm debating on whether or not I want the raw edge showing. I like to have a very unfinished kind of raw edge to my pieces. That is what I'm debating on in this space. But I don't necessarily want the raw edge over here. So let's do this. Let's go in with the chalk and let's draw in the placement line. I'm using the chalk pen to create a line on the yoke and the waistband, and also in the area where I need to make the darts so that the yoke will lay flat. Right. So we're here. Ouch. I knew that was gonna happen. Here. Okay. Overlap a little bit more. Okay. Stick that in there. And what I'll do is that. That's gonna be, that's gonna be the look. It does make it a little bit longer. Okay, here you can see it's starting to come together. Before I cut anything, I like to try the pieces on just to make sure that things are gonna lay the way I like. I think this is good. I'm gonna lay this out, stitch down this opening in the green back. Go ahead and cut this. And then I do want like a really nice button to put right here. So this is the skirt. I gotta figure out which jeans I'm wearing. I kinda wanna wear jeans instead of a skirt, but I'm open. And then I need to decide, like, for the jacket, is it too much green? Too much green? It's not too much green, is it? No, because I'm gonna do the pop of burgundy. So that's gonna break it up. Okay. All right, here I am at the sewing machine, overlapping the military jacket on top of the plaid. And the reason I'm doing this is to give myself a really nice, clean finish. The military jacket has it's a finished bottom, so I just overlapped it on top of the plaid. Now I'm just going to place brooches. You guys know how much I love brooches. I wear brooches all the time. I feel like they are a perfect addition to basically anything. Yeah. So what I decided to do was put primarily butterfly brooches on one side and then all the other kind of brooches on the other. And I like the way it came together. And just like that, the first piece of this look is coming together. What started as 2 jackets is now becoming a completely new garment. This overskirt is layered with military structure and plaid detail at the bottom. I still have more sewing to do, but you can already see the shape and how it's taking form. In part 2, I'm going to be creating the corset and also give you a little bit of how I transform the oversized jeans that complete the full look. So make sure you subscribe and come back for the next part of this transformation, because every piece has a past and we're about to give the rest of this outfit a future. All right, you guys, see you in the next one. Bye.